Big brain. Dolphins have the largest brain relative to their body size. Flying mammal. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. Three hearts. An octopus has 3 hearts. Many legs. Millipedes have the most legs. Backwards flight. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Odd mammal. A platypus is a unique mammal. Deep breath. Whales can hold their breath the longest underwater. Horned baby. Giraffes are born with horns. Wise group. A group of owls is called a parliament. Fingerprints. Koala fingerprints are similar to humans. Great job. You did amazing. You're an animal expert. Thanks for playing. You know a lot about animals. See you next time. Keep exploring and learning.